Here are the answers for day one, problem one. Find the midpoint between these points. First make a graph and then find the midpoint. -4 comma -3 is left 4, down 3. So there's that dot. 5 comma 1 is right 5, up 1. There's this dot. That takes care of question A, making the graph. Now, finding the midpoint by showing work. We can connect these together. Visually, it looks like the midpoint is approximately in that location there. But we're asked to show the work, so let's algebraically calculate the midpoint. We do that by averaging the x-coordinates. So -4 plus 5 divided by 2. And average the y-coordinates. -3 plus 1 divided by 2. -4 plus 5 is 1, and 1 divided by 2 is a half. -3 plus 1 is -2. -2 divided by 2 is -1. So the location of the midpoint is 1/2 comma -1. And that is what we thought that it was visually. Now day one, problem 2. Line K is perpendicular to line L. That means that its slope is the opposite reciprocal of the slope of line L. So here we have an equation for line L. Let's rewrite this in slope-intercept form. First, subtract x, then divide by 3. Now we can see that the slope of line L is -1/3. Because K is perpendicular, it will be the opposite reciprocal of -1/3, which is 3. With the slope and a point on the line, we can create its equation. Y minus -2 equals 3 times x minus 0. We could leave it in this format or do a little bit of simplifying. This negative can be changed into a plus sign. And then if we do the distributor property here, we get 3 times x, which is 3x. So y plus 2 is equal to 3x, or y equals 3x minus 2. Any of these equations are fine. We're asked to graph this line. We know that it goes through the point 0, -2. That's located here on the y-axis. We know that its slope is 3. Rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, run 1. That allows us to draw the line through the dots.